Meaning of golden handcuffs.
Golden handcuffs.
Golden handcuffs.
Golden handcuffs.
Golden handcuffs. Golden handcuffs is a term used to describe financial incentives or benefits that are offered by an employer to an employee in order to encourage them to stay with the company for a longer period of time. These incentives can include bonuses, stock options, pensions, and other perks. While these benefits can be attractive, they can also create a sense of obligation or dependency on the employer, making it difficult for the employee to leave in search of better opportunities. The term golden handcuffs is often used to highlight the potential downside of relying too heavily on these kinds of perks.